Rain gutters are a simple concept, but making them work properly can be complicated. Rain gutters that are individual segments are joined together with a coupling to achieve the needed coverage. Every coupling is a potential source of trouble. Leakage can occur, causing an annoying drip or worse, stream of water every time it rains from a specific coupling. Thus, it is essential to ensure the couplings are properly mounted and sealed during the installation. Rain gutter systems must provide adequate drainage for water to be moved from the roof and to the downspouts without overflowing. The capacity of the rain gutter and the angle at which it is mounted is essential to a proper installation. A properly installed rain gutter system will drop 1/2 inch per 10 feet and should not extend more than 40 feet on either side of the downspout. For gutter runs longer than 35 feet, it is best to slope the gutter down from the middle to a downspout at each end. Seamless gutter systems are more popular today than ever before for two reasons. These systems are custom-made to fit a home without using couplings, thus eliminating the potential for leaks or streams from the rain gutter. Also, because they are one piece, they look more appealing than a string of individual pieces strung together. The seamless systems are metal and available in several different colors, thus eliminating the need to paint the gutter after installation. Yet another attribute. As with any home improvement, the performance of the system is dependent upon the installer's skill and expertise. Downspouts are used to move the water down the side of a home to the ground in a controlled manner, without allowing the water to splash on the side of the home. Most downspouts are designed to move water away from the side of the house with a variety of options that include retractable systems. Others use additional downspout materials that extend away from the foundation. And others incorporate the downspout water flow into their landscape design to channel water away. The number of downspouts on a home and their placement are essential to achieving the desired goal, protecting your home from water damage. Of course, any gutter system with leaf debris or dirt will not perform as it would if it were clean. Leaf debris is notorious for plugging the downspout and leading to overflow, thus defeating the purpose of the system. Gutter plugging or overflowing problems lead to the development of innovative designs to prevent leaf filter from clogging the rain gutters or downspouts.